If you're a potato fan, this is video for you. Mental. 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 Absolutely crazy. Right then, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at another customer car. This is a 4.2 V8 TDI Q7. It might look pretty ordinary from the outside, but we're going to show you around it, and there are quite a few unique differences to this one compared to the others. So as you can probably see from the number plate, this customer's all the way from the Netherlands, drove it over for us to do some work on it, and then flew back, and then he's going to fly back and pick it up later next week, I believe. If you take a look inside the car, it looks like Whistling Diesel's had it for about a day or a week. It's just covered in dust. At first, I wondered, what the hell does this guy do? And then I got told he's actually a potato farmer. Potato! Not just any potato farmer. This guy harvests premium potatoes for Five Guys. So you're probably wondering why a potato farmer from the Netherlands has got a 4.2 litre V8 Q7. Well, if you come with me, Adam, this is not just your average Q7, it's actually a van. With plastic windows and carpet. If you look in front, it's got a proper bulkhead. So if the van aspect of this vehicle is not enough for you and you're still wondering why a potato farmer's got a Q7, I'm not actually sure. And I'm not sure why you needed it remapping by us either. But that's what we've done. We've gained 55 horsepower. I'll get Adam to put up the graph, and I think we're at 700 foot-pound now. So yeah, absolute beast. But the best feature of this car is the exhaust. It sounds absolutely mental. So we're going to treat you, and we're going to do a little sound clip of it static, and then we'll do a road test and see what it sounds like on the road. Like I said, mental. Well, firstly, this is weird. Left-hand drive. Luckily, there's no gears to confuse me. So, let's see what this sounds like on the road. This is really weird on left-hand side. Not sure I've actually driven a left-hand drive car on the road before, so weird. Right side is the right side. I'm pretty sure American, Canadian, most European viewers are going to disagree with me on that one. But yeah, it definitely feels weird over here driving on left-hand side of the road, a left-hand drive car. To be fair, inside, it's not even that noisy. These must be quite well insulated, because static, well, you've already heard it, it sounds mental. But on the road, it's like a normal cruiser. And I'm in sport. You put your foot down. I mean, you can still tell it's a V8, but yeah, it's not loud in here at all. I think we were a little bit concerned that it might be a little bit too much for the customer, but now driving it, I think he'll enjoy it, to be fair. I'm not sure if it'll pick it up on the camera or not, but there is a very, very slight exhaust leak that we've diagnosed on this. So when you put your foot down, you get a little bit of a squeak. Unfortunately, on these V8s, it's a pain in the arse of a job to change that exhaust manifold gasket, so I think the customer's going to leave it for now. But yeah, say it's a big car, it feels pretty quick. I think at 360 horsepower. We have done ones that have done more than this, but equally them ones did more standard. So I think 55 horsepower gain for these engines is about right. Maybe this one's a little bit down. It has done 254,000 kilometers, so maybe something's getting a little bit tired, turbos, injectors or something like that. But yeah, let's get another squirt. We might have to cut this bit out, but I'm really interested to see what it sounds like with the window down and see if you can tell a big difference. So, other than the wind, you can actually hear the exhaust a lot more with the window down. I'm actually really impressed with how this sounds. And it's not, I thought it was going to be quite drony. Doesn't seem drony, doesn't seem overly loud. And yeah, I think, especially static with the limiter on, I've got no other words for it, but this sounds mental. So we'll leave it there. This is probably going to be quite a short video. Mainly just wanted you to hear the exhaust. Let's get this back to the customer because he's got a long drive back to the Netherlands. And yeah, if you ever sat in Five Guys and wondering where your chips have come from, chances are come from back of this V8. Something to think about, innit? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.